Hey, I'm Rob Menzies and welcome back to my channel. And this is 2026. It is the first track day that I'm doing for the year. We are at the end of April. The sun is shining. It's a blue sky. We're going to be heading off out to Donnington Park track day today. We're going to be out on my Kawasaki Zx636. So come with us and enjoy the ride. I'm going to introduce you on all of the different sessions that we're going to be coming through and tell you all about it. So stay tuned. Okay, so we're now here at Donnington Park. What we hadn't realised when we were booking this track day is it seems to be a race weekend coming up this weekend, and everybody's here. So I don't know if you can see over there, but there is tons and tons of race tents, and then also back over here as well, we've got literally everyone full up. So there is so many people here. It's going to be a really interesting day to see how we get on, because I'm damn sure advanced group is going to be full up with everyone that are racers that are basically testing. It's going to be interesting to see how we get on in inters, because I've got a funny feeling we're going to have people that are going to be racers that are in with us as well. So it should be a very interesting day. Now it is a quiet day, so it's quite low on the decibels, so theoretically race bikes, unless they've got big baffles in, shouldn't be here, but let's wait and see. Now I'm going to guide you through session by session on what we're going to be able to do, so you can come along and enjoy. hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then please remember to not only like the video but also hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos like this in the future. Thanks again for watching, and see you again soon.